my first interview, so that's okay.
I'm expecting that one to make some noise. How you doing, bud? I had a feeling.
We're managing construction of the offshore oceanographic science vessel.
This is a state-of-the-art vessel.
As a Canadian, it makes me proud.
This is a major milestone for us.
My name is Carolyn O'Rourke. I'm the Senior Project Engineer for OOSV.
I'm a technical inspector with the Canadian Coast Guard.
I'm the project engineering manager.
My role is a steel charge hand.
I'm working to make sure that the offshore oceanographic science vessel is being delivered to meet Canadian Coast Guard requirements. It's good to be picky. Half my job is being picky.
After virtually building the ship on the 3D model, we are delivering this to the yard that enabled them to build the ship and bring the virtual design to the real world.
The ship is built in little Lego block stages.
We're currently standing at SOC 5 and 10. Each building represents an approximate percentage complete status. So here in SOC 10, the vessel is only 10% complete. And in SOC 80, the vessel would be 80% complete.
I've been crawling in those tanks. I've been inspecting every weld there. I know this block and it knows me.
We build them upside down, so start with a plate, have everything build up, and then they take it and flip it around and stack it on top of each other. It's amazing what we can imagine, what we can picture.
Yeah, every time you see the blocks come together, it changes your whole perspective. It goes from being some steel and piece of equipment to this is the engine room of the ship.
The OOSV, it will be Canada's modern research vessel. It will do hydrographic, oceanographic, as well as geological missions on the East Coast, as well as into the low Arctic.
It's going to help understand and research our oceans and our seabed.
It'll help with the fisheries.
Like any other Coast Guard ship, it will have search and rescue capabilities.
As a boat user myself, it's great to know that we have reliable vessels out there that can come to aid when required.
This project matters to me. It helps me learn, helps me grow my profession. At the very end of it, we get a product that's going to help science and help Canada as a whole.
It makes me feel like a proud Canadian to be a huge part of building this ship.
I'm so proud of the teamwork that's done.
It gives me a sense of pride knowing that we're building ships in Canada with Canadians.
And then the first time you see launch, the ship float off, there's nothing like it.
Here we go. That's the ship ready for launch.
We are delighted to have the Honourable Joyce Murray, Minister of Fisheries, Oceans, and the Canadian Coast Guard.
Our government is making the necessary investments to renew the Coast Guard. The keel laying is an important ceremonial milestone for a new ship. It also shows our deep commitment to the people and the industry itself, to build that industry in Canada for all the positive benefits that you collectively provide to Canadians.
It is good what you are doing. What you do matters and makes a difference. Ocean.
Thank you to both. The keel is now well and truly laid. Thank you.